Hey, what's up, garden friends? Welcome to the garden. My name's Kevin, and this is
11.
And today we are going to be preparing the soil, as you probably saw already, for a garlic planting. So hang with us as we plant some garlic together. Flat side down, pointy side up, about an inch deep, maybe about 6 to 8 inches apart. Let's give it a shot. You ready, Lev?
Let's go.
All right, let's do it. It's time to get gardening.
Now you want to be sure to always clear away any and all weeds that are growing in your garden bed before you get planting. It's a good first step. And you always want to choose the healthiest of your garlic cloves. If they're rotted or looking not good, unhealthy, damaged, you want to discard those and not plant them. You also want to add some compost back to your soil as needed. Always amend that soil. Step 3, get that garlic in the soil. About 4 to 6 inches apart, about an inch down. Usually works for us. And then you want to space those rows out, obviously about a foot apart. So that way if you do multiple rows, you got the space for it. And of course, irrigate your garden after planting. This will help initiate those roots to kind of sprout out of the bottom of that flat side. And then you'll be a lot happier with your irrigation. Here we have a mixture of a micro spray and a drip. Works out pretty good for us. And of course, step 5, we actually went back the next day and gave our garlic some friends, some more different types of herbs. This is a herb garden here. So thyme and parsley and chives and green onions and all types of good things in here. Oreganos, rosemary, just a ton of delicious things in there. And of course, give space for your plants. You don't want to crowd them at the end. Enjoy your fine work. You didn't do all this for nothing. Live it up.